What if we combine the design of Casio's best-selling watches into one? A slim digital case, a world time function, and a metal bracelet. You would end up with something like this, the Casio A500. Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Most people are familiar with Casio's sporty world time like the AE1000 or the famous AE1200, the Casio Royale. But today we are revisiting a model that is much slimmer and more classic. If the AE1200 is a semi-formal take on the world time, then the A500 feels like its more formal 1980s predecessor. What stands out immediately is the vintage aesthetic. It captures that era when digital watches were moving toward elegance. The dimensions 34mm wide and approximately 10mm thick. The weight is around 50 grams with the bracelet. On the wrist, it is low profile and incredibly light. If you appreciate vintage digital design, this is timeless and clean. However, if you prefer a watch with more wrist presence, this might feel a bit small for you. The case is chrome-plated resin, not solid metal, but Casio executes this finish very well. From a distance, it looks like made from steel. The bracelet is stainless steel with folded links, standard for budget Casio models. It is light and comfortable, though it can occasionally pull arm hair. Loosening the sliding clasp by just a millimeter or two usually solves the hair pulling issue. I also really like the concealed lugs. They give the watch a much more refined, integrated look compared to the AE1200. This variant features a gray panel with black lettering, and there are also other color variants. The layout is dense but organized. A world map indicator, full day, month and date, the main time display. The digits are sharp, but keep in mind they are quite small. Actually smaller than the digits on the F91W's 593 module. While they are perfectly readable for me at a normal glance, they can be a bit tricky to read if you're moving quickly or in low light. Speaking of light, it uses a single amber LED. It does the job well enough, and you can actually adjust the illumination duration in the settings. For a watch this thin, the module is feature-packed. World time, 48 series across 31 time zones, 5 independent alarms, daily or one time, and then countdown timer with up to 24 hours, and then stopwatch with 1/100th of a second precision, and then mute function, you can silence the button operation beeps. The accuracy is rated at roughly 30 seconds per month, which is standard but reliable for this price point. The A500 is definitely underrated. Most people go straight for the Royale, but this offers the same functionality in a much more sophisticated package. If the AE1200 feels too bulky for a button-down shirt, the A500 is the perfect alternative. No watch is perfect, and there are some compromises here. Water resistance is basic or around 30 meters, meaning this watch is for splashes only. Don't take it swimming. The crystal is resin or acrylic, which means it will pick up scratches over time. And the battery rated for about 3 years. This is shorter than the 10-year lithium batteries found in the AE series, likely due to the smaller battery required for this slim case. Overall, the Casio A500 is a perfect blend of classic Casio DNA. It is retro, functional, and at around $50, it's an easy recommendation for anyone who loves the blueprint of a traditional digital watch but needs world time features. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, consider subscribing. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.